What is going on YouTube? What a reaction. Let's see, we have 5 more minutes.
Hey, this is why you don't trade before 10, right?
Why?
This is why you don't trade before 10. Because the
Why?
moves. Because the moves. You said you're gonna trade after 10.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the 10 hour 10 closure.
Oh,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
this is why I took profit at the
On the
six
buy or the sell?
on the buy on the buy, bro.
The 61 is right here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
from
this is good.
88 to 61. You never know.
I'm coming all the way back.
Mm-hmm.
Can we get an 88 one more time?
Oh, this is a 4 hour 8 days. I'm chilling right here too. I just rejected off of it.
One hour about to close bearish in 3 minutes.
In threes. See. What can it do in 4 minutes and 3 minutes?
Mm-mm-mm. Is anyone still in that sell? Did you guys re-enter? Nice, Christine. Yes, I saw it at the top wick. Well done. Approaching that 88, see?
Approaching that 88. We're back.
88 buy side.
Okay. We're like we are back in at 88. Close.
2 minutes into the closure.
But I'm waiting for a closure now. Since it's already down here. And some rejection.
All right, we're at the 88.
Yes.
Oh, oh, whoa. What is
At 10
going?
o'clock, man, I told
Whoa,
you.
Oh, no.
whoa. I
So
can't
no.
even. I can't even enter. What the
Yeah, I
hell?
think it froze real quick. It's moving too fast.
The market is
Yo, I was about to enter that. Nah, they did me dirty. From the
Let's
88
see.
to the 61, bro. That's dirty. I couldn't enter that, ladies and gentlemen. Come on.
Moving too fast.
Nah, they just did us dirty. Did me dirty. Wow.
Moving to break even here. I'm at break even on the buy side.
You took a buy?
Yeah, I took a buy. Out to 88.
Oh wow. Coming straight down for it.
Not liking it. Let's see if we hold. Get a reaction. It was too quick. Honestly, it didn't even give me a chance to close it. Let's see if we get another opportunity.
Let's see. I re-enter. I just entered that.
Not looking the same, honestly, as unless it's just too slow.
Get lower, lower. Yeah, some. Come on, bruh. But that was what I was looking for. Wow. Quick.
Almost at the 61. Is it? Might secure some shortly here. Come on. All right. Come on. Come on. Is that the 61? Right under 61. Can we just tap?
I measure mine from a little different spot. I measure mine from the 4 hour. From look at the four. Look at the four.
Hold on a second, T. I'm locked in. T trying to distract me over here, you guys.
He said I'm locked in, bro. It can only
I'm
go
locked in,
one
brother.
way. It's only go one way, fam.
Which is what?
Up.
Well, I gotta move my position. Come on.
That
Look at this.
was so quick.
I know, man. All right, I'm liking the 5 minute closure. Can we get some follow through? There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna secure some. I'm securing some, you guys.
Order filled.
Just a little bit, little bit.
Order filled.
Yep, yep.
There we go. Off
Here
the
in a
top.
little bit.
I just closed full right there.
61, 88 to 61. So we hit the 88 up here, came down. Some of y'all caught this one. Can't give us a re-entries. So I just got in off that.
Yes, sir.
Oof, oof, oof.
Now she moving. Now she wanna move, huh? Now she wanna move.
Look at that. Two easy buys today. Just boom, boom.
Well done, T. Well done. How y'all
Like
doing?
we're playing so high now. I think bullish like bulls are fully in.
I don't know yet. I'm not convinced.
Like I'm convinced after yesterday. Fully convinced. Fully convinced after yesterday. Like
Yeah, but we don't want to get in. I mean, if it comes down to a better position, that would be amazing.
yeah, for the pullback. But
From like right here, if it comes down back,
yeah,
I don't know.
every pullback has a strong reaction. Like what we just see just now. Like every pullback, there's a strong reaction to go back up.
Where is it supposed to go? What do you mean?
Take the class, man.
When did you when did you send that message? Where was it when you sent that message? Just curious. Was it at the 88 or um 4X TV shorts?
Take the class. Get to the webinar.
Oh yeah, there is a webinar next week. Just a heads up.
You know exactly what your
Hey.
targets are.
It's free. Yes, I saw it at the top. Wait, Christine, did you close? Did you get in for the buy? Are you still holding? What are you doing, Christine?
I closed at the bottom and then got into a buy.
Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. We had some silent snipers, Christine, in the chat. Taking buys and sells, making money both ways. Christine, are you trying to lead the call?
No, not at all.
Oh man, well done, Christine. Well, I'm really proud of you and happy to see that you're taking advantage of these opportunities, Christine. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
And not just you, anyone else who's taking the trades. I know y'all silent snipers, man. Y'all
If you
probably in one
take,
right now.
if you have taken the class, you know exactly where to enter and where to get out. Just saying for the people on there on YouTube. I'm just saying.
Closed and took my 5% for the day. Todd, let's go. Yeah, W's in the chat.
Oh, it's coming back now.
It's coming back. I don't know if I trust it though. It's like it's wicked hard.
She's resisting.
I'm thinking, or excuse me, I'm not thinking. I'm seeing if it closes like this, we can get our pullback.
Yeah. Right now,
1 hour did close bearish. Let's see how the 30 minute and 15 wick.
looking at the 15. We'll see. We'll see.
I got like 200 on 5 accounts. I don't know if I'm satisfied though. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see how it closes because it's looking like we can just hold below here. I'm seeing it roll over in 20 minutes. So we are at this 4 hour 88. which is probably holds more strength compared to that lower time frame 88 we took. But since it was on a lower time frame, it was more recent, or it reacted a lot sooner, if that makes sense. But higher time frame, that 88 does look like it's holding value or holding strength, especially the confluence we're getting at this zone. So I can see that short-term pullback T
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
for potential longs. Does that make sense? Caught the sell 900 level. I'm still waiting for the buy level to hit again. It reacted twice already. Just be wary of that. Or which buy level? Are you talking about this level here that we just took it at, or the one down here? Carlos, can you elaborate a bit more? The one we just took at, or the lower one? Maybe, but based off the reaction we got here. This is all over the place. Around the low one. Yep. Honestly, I apologize for even questioning you. Excuse me. Y'all know what y'all doing, honestly. Let me not get in the way. All right, if you guys are just hopping on, we ended up taking the buys and the sells off the 88, but I'm seeing it. Again, if it closes like how we're looking right now off the 30-minute, this thing can roll over in 18 minutes. All right, we'll keep wicking that 88 up here. Go delete this off that zone. All right, looks like we're making some structure. We got the head and shoulders here. You got the left, the head, the right shoulder off of the 88. We can see we touched it multiple times and we're getting that reaction. Again, this 15-minute, if it holds, let's see. Let's see. I might be done. I'm not gonna lie to y'all though. We'll see. A little one and done. Did anyone on the YouTube take the trades that we called? I know some of you did hop on late, or just hopped on, excuse me. Saucin, I know you were here. Just a heads up, I do have a meeting at 10. Did you guys want to keep the stream going, or T, Jacob? How you feeling? Are you
Yeah,
guys good for the day?
I'm chilling.
Chilling, yeah. Took those 2 buys and I'm good with whatever.
The CA members make money. That's all I care about.
Sounds like they did.
Josh, Weathers, Tanny, and Jordan. Were you guys able to take the trades we called? Or you guys just hop on late? Josh said late. Okay.
See some flippy here. See some flippy
Mm.
here.
She's not. She look like she's holding. Where's that 88 buy side?
I might just enter another one right there at 80, 82.
For the buy?
Yeah. Ooh.
Straight to the 61.
And tap my TP. Come on.
You're kidding. You
Yeah,
got
I
in?
do.
You were able to get in?
Yep, just tap my TP right there. Let's
The
go.
quickest
And
hand
yeah,
in
I'm
the
done. I'm
West.
done. I'm
The
done. You can
quickest
turn
hand in
off
the West.
you can turn off anything, everything. I'm done, Ski. Wow, 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 wow. That's it. And 3 buys, within the span of 15, like 30 minutes. Wow. Yes. That 15 close. Beautiful, man. Beautiful.
Man, Joseph, bro, I keep telling him to join the Discord and hop on the calls, bro.
This man.
Man, message him. You say, "What are you doing?" What? Like, bro, hop on the call.
I'm on the call. We'll take on these buys right now. Oh,
Oh,
if
shit.
you're Sheesh. Believe in your conviction.
Mm, mm. That 15-minute, what a reaction.
Yeah, if you believe, that's I was holding on to my belief.
Geez, so T, you took that buy 3 times?
Yeah,
Said the quickest hand in the West, huh?
bruh. I'm telling you, if you're gonna keep giving me 88, I'm taking it.
They bounced 3 times. That's
I'm
crazy.
taking
That's
it.
honestly
I'm
that is
taking it.
amazing. Even if you made 200 every time I hit the 61, that's $600 right there.
You feel me?
Yeah.
You know, on just one account.
You feel me?
Can she come back for a fourth time, T?
Bro, I'm gonna take it again. He comes back, I'll take it again. This
Oh
time
man.
on a one lot though. I took a 2 lot.
Honestly, I'm close to processing another payout. Yeah, so I would play the zones. If you guys are watching this, just play these zones that we have marked up. Sells up here, buys out here.
This is beautiful. Wow.
It's coming back into the sell zone. I'm seeing 19,900, which is at 88. Let me get this fib out the way. If you made money for the day, maybe decrease your risk. That way you don't give back your gains. Um, Move to break even. Again, do not get back your gains. If you hit your goal, call it a day.
Ooh, ooh. She's really pushing.
Wait, what is this right here? Is this zone? Got the infamous Roman. What's going on, Roman? Hope all is well.
You in the buy, Roman?
Good morning. No,
Good morning.
I took quick shorts first thing in the morning, but I'm kind of just seeing what's going on here in the first hour or so. I had a pretty shitty day yesterday, so
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that, brother.
got my booty clapped, you know.
I was close, bro. I was close, and I made it all back on the buy.
I couldn't keep trading. I was like, I need to get off before something
Bro,
something bad happens.
it was my last three lots.
Yeah.
This was my last 3 lots. I was like, if this thing doesn't go my way, I blow the account. Okay, be it.
Yeah, I didn't want to go there.
Yeah, I was at that decision, that route. that
Yeah,
pack.
I got I'm trading my CFD accounts. I mean, I lost like 1%, like I lost 1,000, like 1,200 or something, but I was like, I'm not doing anything more. I'm still up 3K in that account, so I was like, I need to get up. I'll take my loss. I was on like a winning streak for like 2.5 weeks, and I'm just like, I didn't want to give it all back.
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys in
No,
these
it's not
longs,
bad.
right?
I
Yeah,
was.
yeah. I
But
waited for the 10. T
Yeah.
took the buys 3 times, man, like a savage. I waited for the 10 o'clock close, 10
Yeah.
a.m. close. Took it off the 88. Ended up playing out to 61, and even came back again. So right now I'm just waiting, Roman. The
Mhm.
15 minute did close strong. The 30 minute looks like it's gonna close strong here, but I'm liking that 88 off the 4 hour, which is that zone up here. So I'm just playing these zones at this point.
Yeah. I got relatively the same idea.
But I don't know. I'm up for the day. I might decrease my risk or maybe even call it. Nothing like finishing the day before I don't even know, before 10:30,
Yeah.
11.
yeah.
Yeah. It is a good feeling. And there's buys, bro.
Oh, those
If
buys
anyone
were
on
fun.
YouTube have any questions?
From what I
Not
see,
on those buys, T.
yeah, from what I see right now, this have a chance to go back up. Just how the 5 closed. Yeah, look at that. That is a full engulf. That means the 30 is about to come up. Yeah, that's exactly what.
Mhm.
That 30 is about to feel the wick.
All right, let me make sure I go back and hit exit clear all like 3 times just to make sure.
Click the red button, bro. It's the
Yeah.
red button.
So you usually hit exit all positions and
Yeah,
cancel.
it's
Okay.
the red button. Yeah.
Okay,
Cancel
okay. So I
all.
usually hit the gray. I was hitting the gray one.
Nah, hit
Exit
the
at
red button.
market and cancel, I think, or close, I think. I don't know.
It just
So maybe
closes
that's
your
why the limits
position
were.
you have. It only closes your position that you have like active. The one inactive, they didn't close. They don't close it.
Gotcha.
Um,
Well, that's good to know. I almost blew the accounts twice. You guys didn't even know it.
yeah,
That's good.
it's the same thing for Top Step. Have a cancel all.
I see. I don't see cancel. Okay, I see it.
Yeah, it's below the ask. They have cancel all. Just press that before you log out. You're done.
Hit it right now, man, just in case. All right, we're approaching the 88. We're in that zone.
It's a new month, May. So let's see at the monthly candle. Let's see at the monthly candle how the last month closed. All right. Look at how the last month closed. He 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 he. Ooh. But we have here a wick, a holy wick. How long was the wick? Was from 16,478. From 16,500 to 19,400. That is the wick, ladies and gentlemen. That is the wick of last month. And now people are asking, are the bottoms in? Is the bottoms in? It looks to me like it is. Because that is a huge 3,000 points. So 30,000 pips.
You gotta wait for this pause, the terror
Yeah.
pause.
But yeah, so if you ask me, the bottom is in. I believe so. I believe so.
To be honest, you guys, I want to enter, but I'm about to be distracted, so I'm not gonna do anything.
Enter long,
Um,
there's shorts here. Shorts, hey?
for shorts,
I'm,
yeah.
I'm looking at that right now too. Choose.
Hey, Jacob, if you guys can just hold it down, I would appreciate it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wee, wow.
Yeah, I think July 2nd is the 90 day. That's the 90 days. April 2nd, right? So July 2nd is after. We'll see what happens then.
July 2nd.
But we have recovered the full since April 2nd, that big drop that we had. We recovered that move.
Man, yesterday's daily closer was strong.
It looks like all the trade war is getting unwind now too. Ukraine just signed a deal with the US. All the war is starting to settle down. You know what that means?
Yeah, stir the pot.
I believe the Ukraine war was why there was a dip in 2022.
Yeah, that was the last bearish year we've had.
Yeah, so that was when Ukraine or the Russian invaded Ukraine in the January. So now the news that US and Ukraine have signed a deal, it looks like Russian is coming to the table too as well. So
Yeah, it's good news.
it's good news.
We're right under that 88.
It looks to me like market already priced in that new from yesterday. Already priced in all these.
Nope. Looks like we're at the 88 now. Kind of aggressive, though, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. 15-minute
Yep.
closure is gonna close in 2 minutes.
15 closure in 3 minutes. And tell me if that is a candle you want to short.
Hey, it can react right now and come back down to this 88 in 2 minutes, brother. A lot can happen. Anything can happen in 2 minutes.
I mean, if this was a strong 4 hour closure from the last one, I would say yeah, but
I mean, on TradingView, it looks like it wick.
yeah, so different from these platforms.
Yeah.
I don't know
They're,
why
they're,
they changing the number and changing the graph. Ooh, oh, what do we have here? Yeah, from that five bottom since the last since 10:15, before this candle. If you look at the five, that's fully.
yeah. I'm gonna give you remote control, Jacob.
Okay.
Oh,
I could just share my screen. I got you.
that would be easier. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me know if you need access.
If
All
you're
right.
taking this trade, manage your risk. That's all I
Let me
can
just
say.
get access to it.
Do you not have it?
No, I don't.
Okay, try now.
Manage your risk.
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Let's see. Let's see.
Wow, should have held that. Now I'm gonna say it. Should have held it.
Bye, man.
But no, we know the target. We hit the target.
Everything came back. This one right here.
I'm not gonna lie, I like that 88, Jacob. It looks better on your screen than it did on mine.
On the south side?
Yeah, the south side.
Yeah. Does look good. See, they close below.
Closing below.
Everything, look at the board. Everything is so green.
So now it's back at 20 flat. It's getting some reaction. It's quick reaction now. It's a lot of people here. A lot of orders.
But then it's 4 hours. So chill.
Order filled.
Order fill. Yes, sir.
Go.
$88 to $61.
8 to 6 1. Sitting right at. That's exactly like 1 to 1. Nice trade. I didn't take it, but I got to these buys.
Look at that. 88 to 61. Are we still on live?
In the 15.
The YouTube?
Yeah, we still on live.
Yeah. Sign up for the webinar.
CP1.
Let me see a 61.
Mm. I don't know.
We're looking like
Everything is still crazy green. Besides Apple.
oh my. Microsoft +9? Oh my. +9 is a strong. It's a lot.
It's a nice little reaction though. Very good points.
We got you.
Had to squeeze that extra 3 points out, you know.
Ooh.
Yeah, this 5 minute close really bullish.
Oh my. Oh yeah, his flip bullish. Wow. Uh uh top might get tapped.
Yeah, that were I weren't in BE already. I would set it to BE.
Yeah. You don't want that. Like you know, I'd rather get a better entry, but it is what it is. Wow, wow, wow. Oh wait. The mirror is on the wall. And tap, tap. 27. Tap 24.
It's 20K.
Yeah, this thing gonna blow. Yeah. So next stop is 2,500. That's the next stop.
2,500.
2,500 on top step. 2,500.
Oh yeah, it's on the minute.
We'll see tomorrow. I have a feeling tomorrow is gonna big boomer time.
Yeah, this thing's pushing.
Tomorrow we might see that 500. You might get there halfway today. The mirror is on the wall. We're back at buying at 9:30. I love it. This is the phase I've been waiting for.
That 10 o'clock candle.
The buy at 9:30. A buy at 10. Same thing.
Yeah.
The wake up and buy. You're back in that
Can't
phase,
wake up and
ladies
buy.
and gentlemen.
Yeah, let's wait for that thing to
There's
pull back
nothing
to
easier. There's nothing hard. There's nothing easier than this. It's the wake up and buy.
Let's see.
Don't care where you are. Don't matter where the price is. Just wake up and buy.
Yeah, 100 points. Yeah, he would have held that, bro. Definitely would have held that.
Definitely would have.
It would have been mad early though. Down here though.
At 9:30, it would have been at 1908. Price would have been 1908. Oh man, that's 1908 until now. Wow, it's 100 some point. That's an hour. That's like in an hour. Yeah.
Yeah. I definitely see this thing pushing to the top of this week. We'll see what happens.
See if because we're on the chart every day, we can see like we're pretty fast to the news of like tariffs and stuff because we're on the chart and we can clearly see when like all that got unwind. Like the charts show us as political issues getting unwind.
Yeah. Yeah, there's been some
You
crazy.
can see it. You can clearly see it.
Yeah, the market's really been. It's been
Not
acting
bad.
volatile, super volatile since the beginning of this year. And that's definitely because of all the.
It's like you can get into an argument with people who live their lives or like without the charts, and they got their news like super lag behind because we're they see when they see the new, this thing is already pumping up. That's what I'm trying to say. If we're on the chart, we can see that this thing been pumping from like the last month, since the beginning of last month. So like we kind of know beforehand that the economy is back. Like it's back. Like the stock
Right.
market, like we can see it. But for
You
some
see it,
people,
yeah.
for most people who only lives without like on the news or like just live a normal life without charting, they're very lagging behind. They're like a week or two behind, if anything.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, definitely like keeping track of the charts every single day is going to like just looking at structure and be like, okay, well, this is definitely bottomed out. You know, this thing is like you can see it ahead of time for sure. If you're just like if you're strictly just trading like news events with no source of like structure, that's wild.
It's lagging. If you just trade based on news, it's very
Yeah.
lagging. It's like the moves already happened, and then they report the boom. You're like, all right, bro, it's already like up top where I'm gonna buy it.
But also you can say like keeping just a heads up on the news and staying aware of what's going on is important too.
Yeah. So now, unless this thing wants to come back for a pullback, there's no there's no buying unless you're one of those guys buy tops like us.
Hey, I did measure it. There's probably like 70 points you could squeeze out through here.
Ladies and gentlemen, buying top, huh? Let buying top.
It's exactly 7.
But yeah, I'm done. This thing is cooked now. It's moist. It's cooked.
If they want to come all the way back to this 8-8, maybe. But
Dinner has been served from 88 all the way back to the top. If you held it, that's a full move right there. Any questions? Anything from the YouTube? Anything from you guys? Nothing. Maybe a one in the chat if you take a dub today from the 88. From the 88. I'm gonna change the channel to chart 88, bro.
Chart 88.
Or 88
88.
addicts. Or 88
88
addicts.
addicts.
That's a good one. 88 addicts. Just think about that.
Chill. That is tough.
Just addicted to the 88. I don't know what to tell you. Is that bad? It's like the one addiction that I can get under. I'm addicted to the 88.
The 15-minute. I mean, it's close, but right at the top.
Yeah. I don't know.
It was kind of a wick, but
Ask yourself,
this candle right here is just so strong.
if you're in a short, where's your SL? Like, you're trying to minimize the risk. If you're in a long, where's your SL?
If you're off this short off the 80, then so
the 15-minute wick that just happened right now.
this one right here.
Yeah, I don't trust that for a second. I trust the McDonald's ingredients more than this, better.
Yeah, this thing closed right above, clean above.
Wow. Just like that, we're done for the day. 10:45, 10:46. Wow. Wow.
Damn, Microsoft is pumping.
Yeah, that's it. I think after this now, after it leaves this April 2 high, April 2nd high, I don't think there's anything stopping it until if there's no more bad news, like or like announce another like 200% on China or something. Unless there's another bad news, this thing is gonna fly back to the high.
I think this thing's gonna until July 2nd. The July 2nd is when the 30 days or the 90 days is up.
Oh yeah.
It's probably
That might be the other big news. That's
gonna
July
get
2nd.
exactly. But until then, that's still
3 months of flying. How
until
much
then,
money are we
the
gonna
market could
make?
just be chill. Like it could go up and down, but consistently go up. Like we know, like when markets go up, they go up slow, and then when they drop like crazy. So
In 3 months, let's see how much money we can make off
yeah,
these buys.
well, for real. But these buys, especially after yesterday, this was
We have hella opportunities now, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God.
but this was April 2nd right here.
Yeah, if this is just close above this, it's a good chance.
Now we're back.
We are back. But unless it's 4 hour close, we'll wait until it's 4 hour close.
Yeah, we'll see.
Not that much to go back to the top, 2,000 more points. We did 4,000 in a month. We did 4,000 in a month. You think 2,000 is not gonna get obliterated in like half a month?
No, I believe it.
Here we go.
I think there's a bunch of earnings this week too.
All good news.
But
All
also,
good
yeah,
news.
all good news.
All priced in.
Right,
All
Apple
priced in.
Amazon, Microsoft, all the big boys out here putting out the numbers. People going crazy.
Yep.
Yeah, this looks good. So this 5 minute close.
Yeah, this
Right.
1 hour about to close super bullish. In 10 minutes, we'll see. It'll close this way.
Yeah.
Yo,
The 88 didn't hold.
Nah. It played here for like 5 minutes and then this thing just broke through.
No worries.
I was saying waiting for the pullback, but that's like yesterday waiting for the pullback, and then they just make new highs. Like, all right, bro.
1 hour about to close in 8 minutes. Looks like it's about to engulf.
Yeah. Yeah. I think we're definitely about to hit 20K for sure.
I might call it a day, you guys.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah,
Mm.
there's nothing to do, my boy. There's nothing to do.
I think the only thing to do here is to buy a top, and I don't think that.
Now
I'm
that's
already
a say less. Oh, that's a say
yeah,
less.
I'm already in. Yeah, I mean, if it closes like this in 1 hour, or excuse me, in 8 minutes, it looks very full. So let's see if there's no wick to the top side. It could continue pushing. So let's wait. Let's wait 7 minutes.
My most convincing evidence is the monthly. That's my most convincing evidence of this pushing at the beginning of the month. Go to the monthly and look at the last month. Oh, you telling me?
Damn, it is a new month now that you say that. Sheesh.
You tell me today is not bullish after it closed like that? Like,
Bro, it can still retest them bodies the open of that month.
oh hell no.
Let me see the weekly.
Ooh.
I mean, the evidence is compelling.
It's very compelling right now.
It's time to buy the tops.
After I saw that monthly, I was like, all right, bet, say less. That's why I was so convinced of the buy today. That's why I took it 3 times.
That conviction, baby.
Bro, I was convinced. Like, I was like, bro, if you want all my money right now, take it.
If you still can buy right now, then.
Nah. I was saying 88, yeah, you feel me? We're waiting for the 88. 88 buy side. Anytime, tell me.
88 was lovely.
Yes.
88 buy side, I'm taking it. But that's tomorrow. We'll wait until tomorrow.
Who hasn't made money yet? Just curious. Who's still itching for a move?
Yeah.
Joshua said he hopped on late.
I'm in gold shorts right now.
My man Roman is selling sniper over here.
Selling gold would be
Selling
gold
gold.
selling. Is gold selling?
Yeah, it is. It's down
Yeah, exactly.
70 pips. I know.
So you can see people are moving away from the risk on to risk off. I mean, risk off to risk on now. The public is going back into the riskier assets, and they're taking their money out from the risk off asset, which is gold.
They said, fuck the safe haven.
We're back. They said we're back, baby. Let's say we're back. We're back in action.
Oh, it's working. Let's see if it holds here.
Let's say the printer is momentarily back on. When is Jerome talking? Like May something? Let me see. Let me see the calendar. I know Jerome is speaking sometime soon. Oh yeah, May 7th. Ladies and gentlemen, next week. Next week is when we have
Big JP.
Big JP talking about if the rate cuts is gonna be a thing or not.
He said Big JP, Don JP.
Big JP,
Don
man.
JP.
Let's see if the printer is gonna be backed on or not. If you ask me, I'm thinking yes. I think it's he's gonna cut and printer is gonna turn back on for like a few months, I think.
He sent the Siggy, man. Send the Siggy.
Hopefully for a few months because we can't afford to keep printing. That's hyperinflation 101. So can't be just doing that. So hopefully, by that time we keep buying, you know what I'm saying? 9:30 buying. Wow. I'm excited for next week. I'm excited for tomorrow actually. Are you gonna stay on up? What you about to do? I'm just about to get off. There's nothing to do here.
I just wanted to wait 2 minutes to see how this hourly closes for the YouTube and for the members. It's looking bullish. So
That's like a mad bullet.
I would just sneeze and take a buy if I was me.
Not gonna close.
I'm taking that
Yeah.
break and retest. I'm waiting for it to come back, and I mean,
That's a good one. Break and retest. Yeah.
absolutely on something like this.
Yeah.
Anything low, you can take it. Yeah. Anything low.
I'm seeing the next hour closure bullish as well. So we can get a further push at the 12
Oh yeah.
p.m. candle. There's no wick to the top side. If you go onto the 1 hour, Jacob,
Mhm.
it's about to close. There's gonna be no wick. So
Yeah. 2200. 2200. Yeah, that's the next target, daily target. If it doesn't go past that. If it goes past 2200, wow. I should have held that. We should have held that. What the hell? We should have held this trade. Holy. Wow.
Jeez.
But it is what it is. We took ours. She gave us ours. Remember the time that she didn't give anything and you were begging? Remember that time? Remember the time you were on your knees? Remember the time you were screaming at the computer?
Hey, yo.
Yeah. Be thankful for what she gave you, man.
Yes.
Be grateful.
Be grateful, yes.
Like I was down bad yesterday. I had none of this feelings.
That's what I was
200.
I was like, man, this man was really down bad yesterday.
I was like, I'm down 200. I was like, oh, now I'm up 200. I'm like, yes, bro, yes. That's all I needed. Please.
Yeah.
Just 200, I'll take it.
Yeah, yesterday was because it opened up and it ripped down.
Yesterday was bad. Yeah. Yesterday I thought it was gonna keep shorting.
Yeah.
Obviously the 15, I took it off the 15. 15 closed strong sell, and I took it, and yeah, it just inverted and just kept going. I was like, oh my god.
And then
I closed, hit my SL, and then switched back, and I just bought.
Achoo! Order filled.
Order fill. Oh wow, yeah. Ooh. Last 15 closes. Wow.
Yeah, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15, all closed with no wick. So if this is real, I can see it continue pushing.
Yeah, damn,
But I know my chart.
Jeez. No wick.
Yeah, the no wick. The bottom wick, there's a bottom wick and no top wick. I'm like, huh.
Empty out there.
So maybe like again, retest back down to here. But there's nothing I'm saying that.
Right now, like a good retest, not a good retest, but just a retest would be at the 20 flat.
20K.
Yeah, 20K flat on these platforms. On Top Step, yeah.
Yeah.
Just the bottom of the last 15. I like to take it if there's momentum that gonna carry, and I see like either bullish or bearish. If it's a sell, I would want to take it at the top of the 15, the previous 15. If it's a buy, I want to take it from the bottom of the last 15. Like I just want to see those are like the position that I'm looking to get in. I'm not gonna get in the middle of the candle of the 15, you know.
Right.
I want to see it's either at the bottom of that or the bottom of the next one. But those are like the position that I have in mind.
Yeah, I pull back down to this level, previous resistance. And it's like we broke through.
Yeah, and then the next, if that gets violated, the next 15 bottom is right there. Yeah, and then the next one is right there. Yeah, you just gotta keep following it. It's nothing too crazy. If it doesn't, bro, if it doesn't come to there and just keep pushing, so be it. So be it.
Yeah, I say we call it
Yeah, I'm good. I already made my bread.
Yeah.
I only said that just so we can give others a chance to make some bread. But
this hourly looking. I mean, this could be a pullback.
yeah.
And get the continuation off of the next 4-hour candle.
Order filled.
Ooh. Ooh.
Or we might.
Man, it's looking good, man. That 1 minute just closed with some nice rejection too.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's looking off.
I smell buying top right here. I smell someone buying top.
It's
Oh, there it goes.
really respecting this 5-minute, bro.
But yeah, I mean, bro, when it's so aggressive, you got to do what you got to do, make some money, scalp, do it.
It's still green.
But
I'm gonna end
just
the live stream,
saying,
you guys. Just heads up. Gonna keep the Zoom on a bit further for the members. If you're on the YouTube, hope everyone has an amazing day. We'll probably be back on tomorrow. We'll see.
sign up for the webinar for sure.
Gang. All right, I just ended it.